What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing today? We with KSIX. We out. He's on his H2. It's beautiful H2. Yeah, I'm jealous too. I know you are. Anyways, he rode all the way up from his house. I think we're gonna go hit up Cook's Corner. Haven't been there. Grab a beer. Then we're gonna go to Red One's house, hang out with him, and just make a day of it. It's been a while since we've ridden, man. You've been out and traveling and shit.
Living in the land of brown water.
Living in the land of brown water. Anyways, hopefully we have a lot of fun with you guys today. So stick around.
Rims, man.
Those are pretty dope.
Yeah, I like that. Dude, you know what I saw? I saw a Nissan Juke with like 25s or something.
Really?
The biggest fucking
it looks
rims
stupid
I
as
ever
fuck,
saw.
huh?
I got a picture of it. I'll show you. You know what? I'm going to post a picture of it right here in this video. You tell me what you think about this car. Like, I'm all about like individual style. You know, people like what they like, but this is a little bit ridiculous. So leave some comments below and tell me what you think.
Alright guys, so we are going to head up to Ortega Highway. I've never been up Ortega Highway, so we're going to go to Cook's Corner through Ortega. We'll see how it goes. But with that said, there's a lot of new people on the channel. Really appreciate you guys. Want to say thank you for hitting that like button. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We do all kinds of stuff on this channel. Motovlogs, bike reviews, reviewing rip pants that Kenny's wearing right now.
Hey,
he looks like a pirate. Arr, matey.
Don't judge me, man.
Arr, matey. I would judge you, but I can't because you're sitting on an H2. But
you know what? These are my favorite pants.
I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Anyways, appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's have some fun.
Like, what do people do with their lives before the internet?
I try to remember, but I can't remember that far back because I didn't have the internet to document it. I think they read books and stuff, or they went outside and did stuff.
Went outside?
Yeah, but that's dangerous. Outside is dangerous. Remember, you can get eaten by bears and shit.
Yeah, there's all kinds of dangerous shit outside.
The sun, get cancer.
Get cancer. And then when I was in Mississippi, dude, that was just fucking awful.
That sounds fucking awful.
Dude, the water in the toilet, like if nobody told you, right, and you check in your hotel and you go into the bathroom,
you think someone left a deuce?
It looks like somebody took a shit in your bath, you know, in your toilet, and didn't flush.
Oh, that's gross.
What it looks like.
And no one. Did you ask about that?
Well, the lady when you check in, she's like, "Do you know about our water?"
All right, let's go.
Like what? She's like, "Yeah, you know, we get our water from some kind of like aqueduct, and the tree root system there like makes the water like kind of brown." I'm like, okay, that's cool. All right, whatever.
You thought it was like a light brown?
Yeah, it is. It is like a light brown. It's like if you made a bag of like some tea, you know, a couple dunks of tea back. It's got that hue to it. But it's slimy. The water is fucking slimy.
Ew.
Like you take a shower and like you can. It almost feels like when you grab a fish. You ever grab a fish and you get like that film on
So, well, here's the question. Was that water only like that at the hotel, or did you like...
everywhere. It's an entire like town. I don't know how far out it stretches. But yeah, from what I understand, everywhere in town is like that.
That's fucking gross, man.
Yeah, the water just has this like slimy feel to it. Oh man, look at that. Look at that view.
Oh yeah, that's fucking cool.
Don't look too long because there's a turn up here.
Yeah, that is pretty cool. It's actually not that many bikes here.
I see some concrete right there.
All right, guys. So we're about to grab some something to drink, and then we're gonna head over to Red's. But I need to grab. Come on, charger. Come off. Grab my charger. All right, we back. I know it doesn't seem like it, but we are. Went inside, grabbed a drink. Haven't had a soda in a long time. That shit was delicious. Some fries. Now we're about to head out. Head out again. Do you watch First We Feast?
What is it?
First We Feast?
No.
Go ahead, go through. The one where they eat the hot wings?
No, I've never seen that.
Oh, what? Yeah, they do like interviews with like famous people, but they have like 10 hot, spicy wings, each wing hotter and hotter. And so like they have to eat a wing, and then they ask a question, and then they eat another wing, and it gets hotter and hotter until it's like 10 million Scovilles or some shit like that, some ridiculously hot.
I see why I called the bomb, because that bitch just blew up.
It into a positive. Does that sound good? Getting booed off stage.
Whoo! Give me a water, man. See me over here struggling? Shit! My tongue ain't working. I done lost taste. I'm going numb, bro.
Shit! I'm now fucking crying over a fucking wing. And man, that's fucking hot.
Yeah. Oh, hey, we were having fun, man. This isn't fun anymore. This isn't fun anymore, Sean.
Oh my god.
Oh gosh, there it is. Oh,
I'm trying to get to where I can swallow, but I don't know if my body gonna let me swallow.
Oh gosh. Oh my god. I can barely talk.
So as we've touched on, you're a huge sports fan. And I was impressed to learn that you've been to almost every major sports stadium in what, like 10 straight Rose Bowls?
Am I supposed to answer that, dude? Holy fuck. Dude, what the fuck? That's worse than India. Not say India's a bad place. Do I have to apologize now? Dude, that's the hottest fucking thing I've ever ate.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, fuck. It's not going away. Oh my god.
This is gonna sound like the saddest hot dog story. Cause I'm sure. But yeah. Oh man, I swallowed that one into the weird, oh no.
Funny. Yeah, they had Shia LaBeouf on there the other day. This shit was fucking good. That dude's weird, but he's like legit a good actor.
I really hope that some of this video came out all right, because.
All right. So lots of fucking camera issues today. Unfortunately, it seems like the last few times I've gone to try to vlog, I've had nothing but issues. Battery dying, forgetting to turn on the mic, all kinds of issues. So I honestly, up to this point in this video, which you guys are watching, I have no idea if I got anything, because I think I forgot the audio. But with that said, I think we're done. We just finished hanging out with Red, Cali Girl, and had some delicious food. Hung out, watched some Between the Ferns on Netflix. Watch Red try this thing, and yeah. Otherwise, other than that, make sure to go check out my boy KSIX. Always a fun time, man. Appreciate it. Always a good time riding with you.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, yeah. That's all I have for you guys. Yeah. So peace. I don't know. I just downed to a 5-hour too, so I'm ready to go. I got a 2.5 hour fucking ride back home.
Hey, man, I got the same distance.